Understanding the phrase, "You don't get it," a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, "You don't get it." This phrase can be tricky for English learners, but it's a great way to sound more like a native speaker once you understand how and when to use it. So, let's get started. You don't get it literally means not understanding something. When someone says this, they're suggesting that the other person does not comprehend a situation, concept, or idea. It's often used when there's a gap in understanding, especially in more complex or emotional contexts. 1. Misunderstanding a concept. When someone fails to understand a specific idea or concept, this phrase is used to highlight that lack of understanding. Example: A explains blockchain technology to B, but B is still confused. I might say, "You don't get it, do you?" 2. Emotional situations. In emotional or personal situations, this phrase implies a deeper level of misunderstanding, not just about facts, but about feelings or experiences. Example: if A is explaining their feelings about a situation and B seems unsympathetic, A might say, "You just don't get it." 3. Sarcasm or frustration. Sometimes, it's used to express frustration or sarcasm when someone repeatedly fails to understand something. Example: if B keeps making the same mistake, A might say, "You really don't get it, do you?" The tone with which "you don't get it" is said can change its implications significantly. If said with a gentle tone, it can be an invitation to explain more or understand better. However, said with a harsh tone, it can imply frustration or disappointment. It's important to pay attention to the speaker's tone and the context to fully grasp the meaning. 1. You just don't understand. This is a less colloquial way of saying, "You don't get it," often used in more formal or serious situations. 2. You're missing the point. This emphasizes that the listener is focusing on the wrong aspects of the situation. 3. You're not seeing the big picture. This suggests that the listener is not understanding the overall situation or context. And that's a wrap on "You Don't Get It." Understanding this phrase can really help in grasping the nuances of English conversation. We hope this video has been informative and helps you feel more confident in your English language journey. Don't forget to practice, and see you in the next video.